Alright folks, today we're going to unbox a Spike Prime Education Lego kit. And so let's go ahead and see what's in here. Alright, so when I take the top off of here, we've got a bunch of stickers here. We have our trays where all the pieces will go. Some instruction papers, a charging cable, and this feels like it's probably the brick. And then I have a bunch of numbered packages here. So we've got 8, 1, 2, 3, 5, 4, 7, 6. This is unnumbered. I think it goes at the bottom. 1, 13. Okay. I think this might be the extras part. All right, so we're going to try to organize this kit and see if we can get it ready to use for our students. So right away I'm noticing this has a really nice way to get your kits organized quickly, and there's numbers that go along with each of these. So I'm going to start taking these stickers off and putting the stickers where they belong. So big tray here is going to be 1. And we've got 2. Three goes up at the top. 4. Okay, and then on the other tray we'll get 5. 6 goes down here. 7. And 8. All right, it's important to go ahead and get that set up correctly at the beginning, because you're going to notice that it matches with the inside of the box kind of organizer. And this is just going to help you in the future when you're having students organize your kits. So now that we got that done, we can start putting our pieces in. This is something I like a lot better with EV3, is with the stickers on the bottom. It comes with the packages already labeled, so you just dump them in there. Spike Prime definitely did a little bit better. I think they learned from the past kits. So we're just going to pour this in here. So there's 1, and I'm going to do the rest. 2. 3. And all the little black bolts here. There we go. Number 4. Mostly the spindles. Okay. 5. Go back on this other tray. 5. 6. 7. These are little rubber bands. And 8. All right, so we got both our trays already loaded up. So it looks like the rest of this stuff is going to go at the bottom. I'm going to put these trays over here for now. 13 is the extras. We will definitely want to hold on to the extras. These are probably common pieces that students are going to misplace. So we'll put that in our extras bins. All right, and then here's the parts that go at the bottom of our kit. So we've got our big yellow pieces, our squares. Here's our wheels and some of the longer pieces. A little harder to open. There's that. Okay. And one more. Okay. And then we've got all of our motors. So we're going to take out our motors from here. Let's see if I've got my scissors. I'm going to use the scissors just to make this a little easier. All right, so my first motor, my second motor, my large motor, and then we've got our sensors. So for sensors, this is our color sensor here. And our touch sensor. And they used to call these ultrasonic sensors. I'm not sure the exact name of them now, but our motion sensor. Okay. So that was pretty easy. Last thing we'll look at is our brick. And it's a lot smaller than what you used to get with the EV3, but so I think it's a lot more efficient the way it's set up. We've got our battery pack in here. And we'll just put this in. It's got a magnet on the top so that we can put it like that. All right. Let's see if it comes with a charge. All right, it turned on. So it looks like it's already maybe an orangish color. So we're probably going to want to charge this before we continue doing anything else. For now, I'm just going to put the brick in here. And so yeah, we've got everything done. We've got our charging cable here. Let me turn this brick off. Just to put this back on. So it goes like this and like this. So, you know, that took about 10 minutes to do, maybe 15. If you are like me, this is my 20th kit. So if you're like me, you're buying a whole bunch of these kits and setting them up probably all at the same time right after you buy them. So it's going to take you about 10 or 15 minutes per kit. So multiply that by however many kits you got, and you'll see how much time you want to set aside to make sure that you got this ready to go. All right, I hope this video was helpful for you. Be safe and good luck.